In today's video, I'll show you the best under 10,000 projector that I have bought recently. Over here, this is the Wzatco Yuva Plus Projector. This is not a paid review. I have bought it using my own hard-earned money. In fact, I bought it for my father as a gift. So without wasting much time, let's get started. I'll not bore you with the technical specifications. You can find that online, and there are several videos already on YouTube that details about the technical specifications. You can see over here, just run you through it. It's basically a full HD projector, 1080p, and it supports up to 250 inches screen. It has got 50,000 hours worth of LED light. But that's the technical specification. I will tell you about the real world experience that I have got with this projector and why I chose this among several others that are available under 10,000. The number one reason to buy Wzatco Yuva Plus Projector is the picture quality. And by picture quality, what I mean is three things. Number one, brightness. Number two, the color reproduction. And number three, resolution. In all these three aspects, which are the most important characteristics of a projector, Yuva Plus Projector shines in all these three categories. Under 10,000, you will not find a better picture quality projector than this. That's for sure. This projector, as the name suggests, is a upgradation to the original Wzatco Yuva projector, and there have been several upgradations compared to the previous model. The brightness has been increased. You do not require a completely dark room to get good, detailed, crisp picture quality from this projector. Even if you have got some indirect light that is coming through the room, the projector quality remains exceptional. Apart from the brightness, the other thing is the resolution. If you watch a 4K video, and by the way, you can play 4K video using devices like Fire TV Stick, Google Chromecast. We'll be talking about that in detail. But if you play 4K video in this projector, you'll really find that the resolution is extremely spot on, and you can see the minor details. The actual native resolution is full HD, and with that native resolution, you'll be able to get a cinematic experience at your home. That too at a budget. Apart from that, the color and contrast is also good. I'll not say it's exceptional, but you get what you pay for. At 10,000 rupees, there are no other projector in the market that will provide you this quality of colors and contrast. If the photos that you are watching on the projector or the movie that you are watching in the projector has got very dark scenes, or it has not been shot in a very well lit environment, then you might feel that the picture comes too dark. But in the brighter scenes and in the good quality footage, you will certainly not be disappointed if this is your first projector. And this is a very good entry level projector, keeping in mind the cost of it. I bought it at a discounted price. You can also wait for the sale season to start. The upcoming sale will be near the Republic Day, that is the 26th January. You'll find the cost of this projector to be discounted further. So you can wait for that if you are not in a hurry. I bought it in the Christmas time, in which I got a very good discount at Amazon.com. The links I'll provide you down in the video description, where you can check out the current rates. Normally it is listed at around 10,000 rupees. That's the normal price. You can expect a 2,000 rupees discount on a sale. So that was regarding the price. Apart from the price and the picture quality, the next best thing about it is its looks. You can see the Yuva Plus projector comes in a very premium white color, and the buttons and all the sliding door and everything looks of top-notch quality. I'll tell you, there are some drawbacks. Like every product, there are some pros and cons. Depending on your use case, the cons are very less. And I found that compared to Yuva model, the dust filter has obviously been upgraded, but also the amount of dust that it enters is quite less. If you are placing it in a proper room, which is not quite dusty, and you cover it up with a piece of cloth when it's not in use, then you will not find dust issues with this projector that frequently. Obviously, you'll have to clean the filters once in a month, depending on how frequently you use the projector. That is one thing that is required for all projectors, for that matter. The next big pro is the speaker quality. The speaker, it comes with a 5-watt speaker that has got decent amount of loudness. The quality, I'll not say it's very good. It sounds a bit tinny, but you cannot expect anything else at this price range. Compared to the other competitor, that is the eGates Max Pro Plus model, the speaker compared to that projector is quite good. It's louder and it's much clearer. If you really want to experience the cinematic feel, then you should connect it to its high quality speaker. What I do is I connect it to the LG soundbar through Bluetooth. So those are the pros. Now let's look at the cons. And there are quite a few, but depending on your use case, it might not be a deal breaker for you. So the number one con you can say is it's a basic projector. The basic projector, I mean, it's not an Android projector, and there are no connectivity options. It does not have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or any connectivity. So if you are planning to use this projector, the best way to get full potential out of this projector is to connect it via a smart device like a Fire TV stick or a Google Chromecast or an Android box. If you have any of these things lying around, in my case, I already had a Chromecast device. So I simply plug this into my Chromecast device and you can experience the whole internet through it. Perfectly supports 4K Chromecast, picture quality, everything is excellent. And you can then connect your Bluetooth speaker via your smart device like Chromecast or Fire TV stick. So that is how I'm using this device. And I suggest if you are planning to buy this device, you should keep that in mind, because the second con is the native file playing ability, that is from its USB pen drive. It doesn't support all file formats. Even if it supports the resolution of 4K, the file format, the encoding codecs, it doesn't support that, because not all audio codecs are supported by this device. And due to that reason, you will find that while playing directly through a pen drive, and several video files will not play, stating it is not supported. To avoid all these shortcomings, I would suggest you get a Fire TV stick or a Chromecast or any other Android TV box and connect this to a projector via the HDMI port. Apart from these downsides, there's one more negative you can say. It has got a manual focusing, and the keystone correction is only vertical, that to 15 degrees plus and minus. So what happens is you have to basically keep the projector right in the middle of the screen to get a crystal clear output from this projector. If you are thinking of placing it below the center of the screen or above the center of the screen and use the keystone correction, then the corners of the image will get blurred. And this is a downside you can say. In my setup, I have kept it right in the middle and I'm getting absolutely no corner blurs, and the picture quality is exceptional. So if you can achieve that in your place, then there's nothing like it at this price range. Apart from this, the one more other downside that I found was with the sliding door. I found that when you adjust the focusing of the lens tends to come out a bit, and then if you try to close it using the sliding door, you find that the sliding door touches the lens. So I'm not using the sliding door. Instead, I've kept a cloth which whenever I'm not using it, I cover the lens using that cloth. So the sliding door does look quite good, but in practical terms, it's not that functional. If you're okay with these cons, if none of these cons are really a deal breaker for you, then I suggest you go for this projector, Wzatco Yuva Plus Projector. You'll not be disappointed for sure. And if you are planning to buy it, make sure to check the buying links out down in the video description. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching, friends. This is Neil signing off. Bye bye.